So putting the rubber band on, you have to get a rubber band. Put it on, and then you dip this part on to the water. So
what did you put on the water bottle? A shirt or a towel?
a towel,
Okay.
and then you're gonna blow through the top.
Is your mom letting you blow bubbles in the house? Oh my gosh! I wasn't expecting that. Oh gosh. What is happening? Oh my gosh. What the what? Ooh, yeah, that is so different. That is a bubble snake. I was wondering if that was gonna work. So there's no water in the water bottle, it's empty, and all you did was dip it in the towel and blow?
Yeah.
Holy moly, I'm gonna have to do that.
Oh wait, no, you cut the water bottle.
I
Did
have
you tell
some
her?
fun things to
Yeah.
try with my kid here.
You cut the water bottle also.
Yeah, so that you have a big hole on the bottom, right?
Mhm.
Oh, that is so cool. Can you turn sideways so we can see you blow it on the sideways?
Dip it again.
Yeah.
Dip it again.
Look at what he's doing. I can't believe his mom's letting him blow bubbles in the house.
I put a towel down.
This is a good reward. I told
Sideways.
you.
Sideways.
William,
Whoa, that's funny.
what are the things that you need for this?
You literally need a plastic water bottle, cut the bottom off so you have a big hole. A dish towel, like a towel.
Wait, just tell me. Okay, water bottle, okay. Because I need to write this down. I want to do this.
Well, you can Google it too. It's called bubble snake. I love it. Oh, your sister loves it too.
Okay, what's the second thing you need again?
So you need a dish towel.
I did that once. What is
Good job, Jules.
And dish soap. Very cool, guys. Good experiment. Oh, it's really good. Yeah, I like how
Thank you.
all of them so
Thank
far,
you.
everyone that did a science experiment, they picked things that were so fun, it's so easy, and something that we can do at home. That was awesome. I love it.
Yeah, they both had good experiments.
Yeah.
How do you mute?
How many of you guys use at home? I know Jace is. He's writing the rules. Anybody gonna try something at